Why is it every time you go to cook a family meal, you have to search for pots, pans, and lids? And when you go to pull them out, they all fall out. Well, all that's about to change. Introducing Stackmaster by Granitestone, the ingenious non-stick cookware set that stacks to fit all in one place and takes up a fraction of the space. Watch, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Plus, each piece of Stackmaster cookware is pressed from a solid aluminum disc, then fitted with a stainless steel induction plate for even heat conduction, and coated 3 times with our durable non-stick Granitestone finish that's so good, burnt on cheese, caramel, and chocolate just doesn't stick. Eggs and omelets slide right out with no butter or oil needed. Mac and cheese pours out with ease. This salmon, cooked skin side down, just doesn't stick. And fluffy pancakes are easy to flip. And because of the professional quality construction and even heat conduction, you can perfectly sear fillets, fire flambe for 5-star desserts, and create everyday gourmet meals your family will love. Fast, easy, and delicious. Look, ordinary 10-piece sets just don't fit, but Stackmaster fits all in one place and takes up a fraction of the space. And because Stackmaster is oven rated up to 500 degrees, you can make savory roasted chicken and vegetables, sweet mouth-watering sticky cinnamon buns, and crispy southern fried chicken baked right in the oven. And to top it all off, Stackmaster has vented tempered glass lids to prevent leaking and dripping that stack perfectly into the set so they never get lost. Plus, all Stackmaster cookware is 100% dishwasher safe and PFOA free. Stackmaster Cookware by Granitestone.